Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Unplug the machine and open Windows. Once done, remove the bobbin and presser foot so you can see the path. Use a flashlight to inspect the needle, throat plate, tension discs, and hook. Make sure no charred thread or lint remains. If the needle is bent or burred, replace it now. A damaged needle creates friction and burning. While you work, keep a small dish for screws so you don't lose parts. Now you clean thoroughly. Remove the throat plate and use a lint brush and vacuum to clear the hook, bobbin case, and tension discs. Once clear, inspect the thread. If it has shiny, melted spots or fuzz, replace it with a good quality polyester or cotton-wrapped polyester. Rethread top and bobbin slowly, making sure thread sits between tension discs and under guides. This prevents slipping and overheating. Adjust tension down a click or two, and sew on scrap fabric to verify no smoking resumes. To finish, run a controlled test. Set speed low and stitch for 1 to 2 minutes while monitoring smell and motor temperature. Make sure the machine is adequately oiled per the manual. Lack of lubrication causes heat and smoke. If smoke persists, stop and inspect the motor belt and wiring insulation for heat damage. Make sure connectors are tight. If you still have trouble, swap to a known good needle and thread to isolate the fault. This quick isolation tells you whether the issue is consumables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.